How you doing? I'm James with Stellar Roofing. I'm one of the project managers here in Buffalo. We're out here in Cheektowaga today replacing this roof on this home. There was some wind damage, some storm damage on some of the shingles on one of the facets of the home. But after we got into the tear off, we found a lot more damage underneath and some structural damage beneath that as well that required us to rip up some of the decking, replace a lot of the decking and some of the structural 2x4s, 2x6s inside the home as well. What's going on up here right now is that we've have all the decking ripped off due to rafters that were kind of sistered together improperly, causing one of them to actually snap in half and cause the roof to start to cave. It was caught at some point where some repairs were made, but they weren't permanent repairs. They were more of a temporary fix, and we found it here today like that, in that state. So we're getting it all done correctly here. We have new 2x6, new 2x4, and what we're doing is elevating the roof back up to its proper level flush height, securing it in place with new 2x6 rafters and 2x4 studs to make this roof able to carry the weight of the snow around here and not have any issues going forward. When you choose Stellar and we find anything like this where it's, the structural integrity of your roof is compromised, we are going to bring it to your attention right away. We're going to have a conversation on how to repair it right away and properly. And you can have peace of mind knowing that when we leave the site, your home is as good, if not better, than it was when we arrived. This crew is they're rock solid. They get the tear off done very fast, and they like to get dried in so there's no issues with the rain or weathering during the process. They are going with the brownstone shingle. It's a good look, nice kind of granular, darker brown to lighter brown shingle. This job's getting ready to be wrapped up on time and completed on schedule. Another stellar job for us here. Once again, I'm James for Stellar Roofing here in Buffalo, one of the project managers. Thanks for watching this video.